Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll walk you through how to delete a transaction in Zoho Books in 2025. First, log into your Zoho Books account. Once you're inside the dashboard, look at the left-hand menu and click on Banking. From here, select the bank account where the transaction was recorded. After opening the account, you'll see a list of all transactions linked to that bank. Now scroll through the list and find the transaction you want to delete. Click on that transaction to open its details. A side panel will appear showing all the information related to that entry. Within the transaction details, look for the delete icon, which usually appears as a small bin or trash symbol. Click on it. Zoho Books will now ask for confirmation to make sure you really want to delete the transaction. Simply confirm by clicking OK, and the transaction will be removed from your records. And that's it. You've successfully deleted a transaction in Zoho Books. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.